Well, hi, this is Stuart Grizzle with Secure Benefits Group. We've got a lot of positive feedback from doing our show, Moving America Forward with William Shatner, and we wanted to provide some more information and insight on how healthcare and living benefits work in the United States today. So this is the first part of some short educational videos that we're going to be putting out to help our customers and general public get more information to make smart decisions. One of the things that we mentioned on the show with Shatner was how some very inventive companies were coming out with policies that could do multiple things, provide more than just a single benefit, but actually cover a multitude of ways that they can help an insured protect themselves and their family. One of the things I just did for fun was if a person was looking to cover themselves with a basic life insurance plan, something that they could do is contact us. We can run a national quote where we can compare all the top carriers that are out there to find them the best price. Now, the nice thing about using us is that we've got access to multiple companies. The bonus is that we're not an employee for each of those individual companies. If you were calling a single company where you're dealing with a rep who only works for that company, they would most likely be an employee where their fiduciary responsibility would be to protect their company. Where you're dealing with us, we're a brokerage representing multiple companies, so we can bring the best product to you. Products change all the time. Companies' rates get altered. So it's always good to make sure that you're staying current with that type of thing. A company that might be very inexpensive today could maybe not even be in the top 10 a couple years from now. But with that being said, as a broker, our fiduciary responsibility is to protect you, the consumer, and make sure you're taken care of. So just for fun, something I did was I ran a quote for a 35-year-old male, good health, $500,000 worth of coverage for a rate that was guaranteed for 30 years. Now, multiple companies that we represent came up. As a matter of fact, the top company for this person came in at $48 a month, and the number 2 company came in at $49. So on this quoting software, you can get lots of information on rates, but one thing that it lacks is it has information, but it doesn't have insight. Some good insight on this is that the number 2 company offers a feature that the other carriers don't offer. As a matter of fact, if you look over the top 10 carriers out there for this potential client, there's only one company that offers it. It's a feature that allows you not only to use your death benefit in the event of a premature death, but it gives you access to that death benefit should you just have a critical illness or need long-term care. So these are something that we refer to as living benefits. It's such an important topic right now in that with healthcare, many people don't understand where their exposure is if they actually had to use their health insurance, and they don't realize that health insurance doesn't cover everything. There's co-pays, deductible, and then missed work that can add up very quickly. With that being said, on this particular company, the number 2 comes in at $1 more, but you can upgrade the plan to a feature that then would also, aside from being a death benefit for $500,000, it would also give you the ability to access that $500,000 if you had a critical illness like a heart attack, stroke, or cancer, or if you needed long-term care. And if you've ever looked into individual long-term care policies, they can be very expensive. Well, to add this feature, it's only $3.94 more. So the premium goes from $49 to $52.94, and you've essentially just added 3 plans in one for very little extra money. So what I normally explain to most people is for such a low premium, it's not really a matter of why, it's really more of a question of why not. We hope you enjoyed this clip, and we plan on putting out several more to just simply highlight some of the best features of plans that are being featured today. Also, go on Facebook and Google search, or just go on Facebook and search Secured Benefits Group. We have a really nice contest going on where by watching a video that we did with Shatner, you could be entered to win an iPad. We're doing this monthly. And we're a relatively small organization, so your chances of winning are pretty good. The first drawing is coming up in a couple weeks, and you can check Facebook, and we'll have a picture of the winner, and there'll be a new winner all summer long. With that being said, thank you very much for tuning in.